Hey guys, today's video I have a Target haul for you guys with a couple of little things that I found at Dollar Tree as well.
All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed this video so that I'm able to bring more videos that you guys want to see. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video, which is a Target haul with a little bit of some Dollar Tree things. I only picked up a couple things from Dollar Tree because I basically have been buying a lot of things from Dollar Tree lately, as you guys have seen. So I only picked up a couple things, and that'll be towards the end. So I went to the Target dollar spot because if you guys are a Target shopper and you guys watch the hauls, you guys have been seeing probably that people have been hauling a bunch of things for fall and Halloween that are gorgeous in the Target dollar spot, but I wasn't hoping to get any of it because I only have one Target in my area and the people here get to it fast. So I knew I wasn't going to get the tier trays, and sure enough I didn't see them. But I did find some stuff that I did find some stuff that I did like and stuff that you guys might enjoy. So let's start off with the buffalo check pattern things, because you guys know I love buffalo check. I found this cute bowl for $5 in the Target dollar spot. And it's so cute. It comes with the lid. It's taped down right now. Let me untape it so we can see how the lid looks on the inside, because I really didn't check it in the store. But it's just like this in the inside. But I thought this was really cute. I'm not going to use it to like cook or serve or anything. I'm probably going to use it to decorate with, because I love the buffalo check pattern and I want to incorporate it in my home. And you guys will see in my upcoming video where I share with you guys how I decorate. This will be incorporated in my decorate with me as well. So I got that, and that was $5. Another thing I saw was these bowls. They come two for $3, which were also buffalo check. I thought these were so cute. I love them. Again, I'm going to use them to decorate with. They call these stackable bowls, Gingham bowls. I don't know if you can cook with them or anything, but I'm going to use them for decoration. They also had the other ones there. I took pictures for you guys. One said pinch and dash. Another one had a cute little pattern on it. They had a bunch of other different designs, but I wasn't interested in it. You guys know I love my buffalo check, so that's why I got this one. And I just picked up one set because I don't need to go overboard. Sticking with the buffalo check theme, everybody was hauling those felt pumpkin, or those fabric pumpkins, and they were for $1, and a lot of them were buffalo check, and I didn't think I was going to find it. Sure enough, I did find it, but I only found one. There was one little one, lonely one, by itself for $1. I know a lot of people have been hauling that they come in black and a bunch of other different colors, and I have been seeing, well, what the Target lady told me at my store is a lot of people have been buying these and have been using their Cricut to embroider them and then sell them on Etsy. And so when I saw that, I also when I heard about that, I saw that a YouTuber that I see on Instagram, I think it's Simply Made or something like that, I forgot her name. She actually showed a DIY yesterday, or today I saw that she bought a bunch of these and used her Cricut to put iron-on words onto it too. So I don't know, like, I guess it's like a big thing that people have been talking about to do, but I know in my area that's what they were telling the Target dollar spot people that they were going to do, and they were selling on Etsy. I just told her that I do DIYs, but I just like showing you guys how to make them because I feel like we can all save money. But I mean, if you're going to do it on Etsy, that's good too. I'm not going to knock anybody's hustle, but that's what some people are doing. They are buying these little ones for $1 and embroidering them and putting them on Etsy. But again, you can do it yourself. You can make some iron-ons yourself, or if you have a Cricut, you can do that. So a lot of people were doing that with the plain colors. But I found one buffalo check pattern, which I was happy to find. So that is it for the buffalo check. I did also find this pumpkin filler, which you guys see me buy the ones last year. They were white and gold. This time I saw this gray, dark gray and white. And you know, I love gray, so I wanted to incorporate those. So I bought a pack of these, and they were $3, which I think is a good price because you get a bunch of these for $3. Another thing that I saw that was new this year that I was kind of surprised that they had a lot at Target for it was this little like lantern, pumpkin lantern, and it was only $3. And I thought that was a pretty good price because I know Target could probably sell this for $5 or $7. So the fact that this was only $3, I had to get 2 of them. It's really, really cute, and it has like this copper top to it. But it does, like, you know, there's only so much that you can put in there because you got to put something that can fit in between those. So, but I got 2 of these, so stay tuned. I'm going to use them to incorporate them into my house. Some other things that I saw were they had some gorgeous towels, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous towels. And so I picked up this one that said, I love fall most of all. And it comes with this one in the front, and then it comes with this little tassel one in the back, which is cute. I think that Bargain Bethany said that Dollar Tree has some of these kind of like placemats or something, or I don't know if they were towels, but she bought some of these and made like a cute DIY on her channel with it. But I haven't seen that at my Dollar Tree. These towels come 2 for $3, and they're like $1.50 each. So you know, you get like at Dollar Tree you'll get it for $1. But I love the style of this, so I wasn't, you know, I wasn't like upset to pay $3 for it because it's kind of like I'm paying 50 cents more. But the style of these, I really like them, so that's why I bought them. So I love this, and stay tuned. I'm going to incorporate it into my kitchen. The next one that I bought was, it says Let's Bake Pies, and I like that one. And definitely this, I had to pick it up because it had the buffalo check towel to go with it. And again, these 2 were 2 for $3. The next thing that I picked up that I thought was such a great buy was these woodward decor letters, and they come they were $3. This one spells out welcome, and I thought this was such a good deal because these wood letters by themselves would be like $1 each or $1.50 each at the store. So the fact that I got welcome, and it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters for only $3 is a good deal. So stay tuned for a DIY with this. These wood welcome letters, I'm going to be using them for a DIY. Definitely pick these up if you see them because these are a great deal. Even if you're not going to spell welcome, if you want the letters that come in it, this is definitely a great deal. $3 for 7 wood letters. This is a good buy. And another one they had was the one that says thankful, which is 8 letters. Again, they were $3. And I'm going to be using it for a DIY. Again, if you want the letters, this is a great deal. Pick them up. I think this is a great buy. Another set of wood letters that I picked up that they only had one was this Hocus Pocus adhesive. It's an adhesive wood shape, and it comes with like a ruler to it. So like it has this ruler that you can keep. It's kind of like a plastic ruler to help you with aligning the letters. That's what it says in the back, that it's a measuring guide included to remove, peel, a measuring guide included, basically to help you guys out with any type of, like, if you're setting the letters, it kind of like, you know, when everybody wants to be precise, it gives you like a ruler to come with it. So I think that's pretty cool. They give you a ruler to be able to use, so whenever you're putting this on something, you can measure it the right way. I love this one that says Hocus Pocus with the 2 crows. This was $3. I know you can get some wood letters at Dollar Tree, a whole pack of wood letters for $1. But I haven't seen them lately, and this one is a different design that I've never seen before, so that's why I paid $3 for this one. This next one is the same design as the wood letters you would see at Dollar Tree for $1, but again, I haven't seen the wood letters in a while. They have gone really fast in all my Dollar Trees. We only have the wood numbers, and this one came with like a little apple, and so even if I wanted to make this, I would have to buy 3 packs because I would need like 3 of the P's. Of course, yes, I would have letters left over, but again, like I said, I didn't find it at Dollar Tree, so I bought this for $3. But again, you can get more bang for your buck buying just 3 sets of the wood letters at Dollar Tree if you can find them. I was thinking about painting them and putting them right here on this little basket right here, or some type of DIY, I'm not sure, but give me some ideas for this apple picking word letter, what you guys would like to see me do with it, because I'm kind of stumped on what to do with it, but I didn't want to pass it up because I thought it was really, really cute. And I love, even though I love pumpkins, I feel like the fall, apples have to do with the fall, so I like to incorporate apples in my fall decor as well. Another thing that was such a great buy at the Target dollar spot that I don't know what to do with it yet, but I had to pick it up because I know that I'll be able to use it in upcoming DIYs or parties or something, and it's this 4-count chalkboard easel for $5, guys. So basically, and I'm gonna open it for you, basically this you get 4 of these chalkboard easels for $5, so they're like $1.25 each. And this can save like so much more money than like if you bought one of these easels or you bought something like this at Dollar Tree, and then you would have to buy, you would actually have to paint the chalkboard yourself or create one yourself. You could easily just have one already made for, you know, for $1.25. So I thought this was such a great idea. I do have one idea for it. I might make like use it for a countdown, but these will also be great for parties if you ever have to do like place, you know, table place cards and stuff. So open it up here. That they have wrapped it again too inside it, and I'm trying to show you guys how it looks and so you guys can see it. But this is a good buy to me because I feel like these easels can be way more in Hobby Lobby. Look at these. Oh my God. And this wood is a thick wood. It's a very thick wood. And so you're basically getting these for $1.25 each. And you can do so many DIYs and so many things in your home with this. You can use it, like I said, for parties and the tables and stuff. So this is like, I mean, the possibilities for this is endless, and this is amazing for $1.25 to get this. I thought this was a great price. I could not pass it up, so I picked it up. They also have this design as well, and this one's just called the tabletop chalkboards. And so this one is the one that I showed you is the easel. This one has more of a different type of design to it. So let me open up so I can share with you guys how it is. So this one is gorgeous as well too, and you can again do so many DIYs with this. So these each are like $1.25, and this one is on both sides, so you could definitely put this at a table for a party or for a wedding, for anything, and do so many things with this. So if you're a party planner, if you like to throw parties, or even if you just want to do something with this, I mean, this is amazing for, I mean, $5 for 4 of them. I think this is a great buy. So that is it with the Target dollar spot. Now I'm going to jump into the things that I did find at Dollar Tree. They brought their Christmas stuff out. And if you recently saw my last DIY, you guys know that I made this cute little I made this cute little farmhouse truck sign with the little wooden truck signs that they are selling right now in the Christmas section. So I bought 2 so I can make one for Christmas and one for fall. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below. But they also had a bunch of different other wood cutouts. So I picked them up. They had the Santa face one. So I had to pick that up. Again, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I mean, I couldn't pass that up. I had to pick that one up. I definitely had to pick up a snowman. Oh, sorry. A snowman. I'm about to hit myself with the wood. A snowman, which is really cute. And then they had gingerbread, and I picked up 2 so my daughters can decorate and add and do whatever they want with it. So they had a bunch of different other ones. They also had Let It Snow, Merry and Bright. They had all these different signs that you could do with it, but I didn't have ideas for that, so I didn't pick those up. I also stocked up on the Christmas tree things because I have some DIYs that I want to make with the Christmas trees. And so I bought 2 Christmas trees. But you know, they come like little skimpy, like they don't come really full. So then I bought these 2 wire garland ties so that I could add them to the Christmas tree to make them a little bit more fuller. These help kind of make them kind of like not look like, you know, like a Charlie Brown tree. So if you ever get the Christmas tree, definitely pick up one of these because it makes it a little bit more fuller. I also found some cotton bouquets that they had. I didn't see these last year. I don't know if I picked them up last year but I know, I mean, I don't think I picked them up last year, but I definitely wanted to pick up 4 of these because whenever they bring out these, I definitely pick them up because these are like the full ones. And so a lot of times these full ones go fast and then what's left is like the little skimpy ones. So I like this because it comes with 2 big, what are these things called? The last time I called them acorns, but they're not acorns. I forgot what these things are called. Pine cones, there we go. They come with like 2 large pine cones, the red berries, and then the cotton tails, which a lot of you guys like with the farmhouse decor. So I picked up 4 of these to do some Christmas DIY, so stay tuned for that. I picked up one little Halloween sign for my girls to decorate in their room. Like I told you guys, I don't decorate downstairs for Halloween, even though I love Halloween, but I have the girls decorate upstairs in their playroom for Halloween. So I bought this little sign that says, "Beware the Wicked Witch, and her little monsters live here," which I have little monsters. So I bought this for them to decorate their room with. And then the last thing I got was this buffalo check tote bag that I've been looking for. I saw it one time and didn't pick it up, and then oh my god, something went in my eye. Anyways, one of the wood pieces went in my eye. But anyways, I didn't pick it up, and then I had some Dollar Tree DIYs in mind for them. So when I saw them this time, I picked up 4. So stay tuned. I'm going to be turning this into a DIY, and like I said before with other things, the possibilities for this stuff is endless. You could do so many things. It's a huge bag. You could basically break this apart and do so many DIYs with it, or you could just use as is because it is a huge bag for everyday whatever you need it for. So that is it for my Target haul and kind of like my Dollar Tree haul as well. Let me know in the comments down below if you're able to find all the new items that they have at Target, if you're able to find those tier trays, or if you're able to find a little bit more of the pumpkin decor. You guys kind of know my style. I like that farmhouse buffalo check style. So let me know what you guys have found that I didn't get to see and I didn't share with you guys today, because I want to be on the lookout for them. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.